Friday, and we are headed. Where are we headed? Where are we headed, Big Daddy?
Just heading out to the Xtreme Xperience.
Xtreme Xperience! Woo! Okay, so if y'all watched the birthday vlog back in September, well, actually I think the birthday vlog went live in October. Shoot, it actually might have went live in November. Anyways, if y'all watched the birthday vlog where we were with Bear for his birthday, I gifted him, well, me and Little Bear gifted him an Xtreme Xperience, which includes, I'll have the details down below, but basically they travel around the US, and he is going to be driving a McLaren
570S.
McLaren 570S, whatever that means. It's a fast car, it's a super car, it's like a $200,000 car. And so him, our brother, and our nephew are going to be driving supercars. Our nephew is driving a Lamborghini.
Yep, Lamborghini Huracan.
I called it a Hurricane. A Lamborghini Hurricane. But a Huracan.
My brother's driving a Porsche 911.
Porsche 911. Super charged, super whatever. Turbo. Whatever it's called. GT?
Like that.
Anyways,
it's fast.
super fast. So we're excited. We gifted him, you know, the Xperience back in September for his birthday. So now we're finally in December and we have the Xperience now. So I'm glad I still got the gift, even though it was like nowhere near his actual birthday. I'm glad I still got the gift because now, like, it was something to look forward to, and now here we are, about to have a good time. But me and my sister actually got we got what is it, pit passes. So they're like $10 for us to just basically be spectators and watch the boys do their thing. So I'm excited. We're gonna of course take you guys with us, as long as they let us record. I have no idea if they will, but we'll try, we'll see. But I'm excited for him. So we're on our way there now. It's about an hour and a half, 2 hours away. So instead of Little Bear going to school today, we decided to just go ahead and take him to Gigi's house, so he's with his Gigi. But anyways, so we're headed to Austin now, and it should take us, what, like 2 hours? Oh yeah, that's where it's at. It's in Austin, so that's where we're going. It's going to be at the Austin Speedway.
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, at the Austin like Speedway track. That's how I start everything.
That's how they. Boom, baby!
Boom, baby! It was a success! Y'all, the sun is not letting us be great. The camera batteries were dead because I was a camera woman and I got so much footage.
Yeah, so the footage y'all gonna see later, it's all shot by Miss BT.
Me!
I'm so proud of her.
I'm so happy. Like, I can't wait.
I'm so proud of her.
I can't wait to see how it came out. Like, I am not the dynamic footage gatherer or whatever. Like, let me make sure my hair don't look too crazy. Anyways, I'm just excited because like Bear is like the tech behind the camera, you know, and so like he's trying to teach me how to use it and all that. But y'all, I think I got some really good footage. So
she did.
When he chops it up and makes it a movie, y'all show your girl some love because I filmed it. So excited. So you want to share how your experience was?
The experience was amazing. And I'm all about experiencing things and being able to drive on a track, drive a supercar, on a 14 turn track and do 3 laps going.
What's a 14 turn track? Like, that's how many times you turned?
Yeah, that's how many
each lap?
turns. Yep.
Oh, okay.
Each lap, yep. To be on
something.
to be on a track to drive a McLaren, a $200,000 car that can go 0 to 60 in like 2.9 seconds or whatever. Like, it was amazing. It was great. My instructor was great. He made sure we did not have to use our helmets.
Yeah, y'all will see.
Yes.
They have to wear helmets.
We had to, yeah.
I'm pretty sure we'll be able, in this Vlogmas, we might be able, like in this one, we might be able to show like at least a clip.
Yeah, no, we will. We should be able to.
Y'all will see.
And he was great. He got me through the track. He was great. I ain't gonna lie, I started out driving a little slow because I didn't know the track. But by second, third lap, I was like wide open. And it was great. It was really great. So thank you, baby, for booking that for my birthday. It was amazing, and man, it was so great. We may have to go do it again.
Yeah, like I actually want to do it again, but now I'm like, dang, like I wish I would have done the 3 car, because there is a package that allows you to pick 3 of the vehicles, like 3 out of however many they have, and then you get to do your 3 laps in all 3 cars. Like,
nah, you did a great job. You did a great job. It was.
I want to go back and do the 3. Next time we got to do the 3 car package.
Next time we will.
Yeah, because
and you gotta hop in a car too, so.
Yeah, I actually might do it.
Yeah, I mean, you could. I will say the McLaren was a tight squeeze for the boy, because I had to wear, like Brittany said, I had to wear a helmet, so it was like hitting the top, and I was like.
Yeah. So would you say that when when you're booking the experience, it tells you like the height max for a person, like for the driver? So would you say that the height max for the driver is including the helmet or not including the helmet? Because that's what I couldn't figure out.
I'd say not including the helmet.
See, that's what I thought. So you're saying no, you're saying including the helmet. So like for you, you're 6'4" and some change. The max for the McLaren was 6'4".
Yeah.
So I feel like you shot up to more like 6'5".
Yes, with the helmet.
Because you had the helmet on, and that's why it was such a tight squeeze.
Yes.
Okay, yeah. So basically,
I feel like
the height that's provided on there,
you
got to be a little bit under it, and then think about the fact that you're gonna have a helmet on.
Yeah, but he was able to adjust the steering wheel to come like kind of past my knees. So I had the steering wheel up here. My knees was resting against the middle console. It was very tight, but like up here, I was just like.
There was a guy that me and this guy were standing next to each other, and like everybody was just watching me like get footage of everything, and the guy was like, "Oh man, like he's getting in that McLaren." And I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "Oh, that's a lot of guy to get in that thing." And it was so funny. He was so sweet. He was like, "Man, that's such a great gift." Blah blah blah. It's cool talking. It's cool talking to people when you're at stuff like that. Like they're all so giddy about cars, and they're all just so excited to be out there, and so it was fun. It was so good. It was like a very expensive. The best way I can explain it is a very expensive go-kart. The way that it handles the track. Go-kart?
Like, yes, because like the thing was, it was so light. It was so fast, and the handling on there was crazy. Like I could really just turn it and like.
Well, especially because Bear drives
super responsive.
A big ass truck.
Yeah, like super responsive. Like it was great. But we're gonna show you guys footage of everything. So yeah, you guys should be able to see the in-car POV little footage, and then also what Britt did at the track. So hope you guys enjoy.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shit, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
How you feeling over there?
I feel good. It's a tight fit. I gave you my USB, right?
You did. Okay. We're recording.
All right. I just want to make sure I don't forget this moment, man. Okay.
So how'd you end up getting out here in this McLaren today?
My wife, she booked it for my birthday back in September.
Anything you want to tell your wife up here in the camera?
Thank you, baby, for this experience. I know I'm gonna love it, so thank you. I love you.
I'll take good care of them out there. Yes. I promise we won't need to use the helmet. Back on the gas, follow that excellent green Lamborghini. Lift off hard on those brakes, buddy. Brakes, brakes, brakes. There you go. Down my side, orange cone, accelerate. Lift off hard on those brakes. Hard on the brakes. Stay wide, more brakes. There you go. Now bring it around. Turn that wheel. Turn that wheel. To my side. Now down the hill. Keep it going. Keep it going. That's it. Bring it around. Keep it going. Keep it going. The other side. Nice and smooth. Turn that wheel. Turn that wheel. There you go. The other side. Lift off. On those brakes. On those brakes. Switchback corner. Harder. Brake harder. Brake more. Brake more. There you go. Look around your side. Orange cone. Cone, it's going to tighten up on you here. Tighten that wheel up on your side. There you go. Unwind that wheel and let it roll through the green cones. Go. Orange cone up ahead. Oh, good.
Thank you so much, man. This was great.
Finally, it feels so light, doesn't it?
It feels crazy. I've never drove anything like this.